Right here, right here.
What's there to lose? We could just run aimlessly till we find one. I'm on a tree right now.
Bro, how many times have we died on hardcore?
How many
Like,
times have you died, bro?
I mean, yeah, I guess,
I
but
died a bunch originally on Bedrock.
yeah,
Dude, I think we died like 20 times.
the 21st try.
Dude, honestly, it's getting to a point where we're gonna have a successful run, bro.
Yeah, dude, we just gotta enter the flow state, you know.
I'm just gonna crank my render distance really fast because I have free will. 1 second. Done. Alright, I'm seeing water this way. I'm seeing nothing else for miles, low key. You might need to get on a higher surface, which thankfully there is some over here.
Well, that's kind of cute. They got like foxes.
I'm about to slime them out just because you said that.
Bar.
Hold on. Ooh, we might be getting somewhere over here. There's a plains biome.
Oh.
Did you crank your render distance?
No. How do I do that?
Here, go to settings, or sorry, options, video settings, scroll down to quality
Settings,
performance.
and then quality performance, render distance, 32 chunks.
Yep. Just to let it load. That's what mine's doing right now.
Ooh, I do see what you're talking about. Oh wait. Oh no, that kind of looks more like a beach. I was about to say, might be some sand.
Honestly, I'm about to start traveling until we find it. Alright, so.
We
Forest.
could just build a boat.
Down there. That's a good idea. Hold on. I got enough for both of us, I think.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. Now, I will say, I might need some food before we go. I need to slime something out.
Some grubs.
But, the way I was talking, like, we can literally just go in the open water to find something. Why not?
Yeah, I'm down with that.
I got like an hour to kill, so we might as well get a decent location before anything.
Get a crib down.
Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna slime my cow out first. Gonna feel my wrath. Where's Buddy going? Buddy thinks he can escape, bro. Dude, they make me feel bad. Like it's inhumane or something. Alright, need some coal. Honestly, I think we just have too much pressure trying to rush. I think if we just play things right, we should be good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. Dude, that cow dropped 3 beef. So we should be good for a second. 3 beef. 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 3 We can just find it on the journey, so not worried about it.
Yeah, I mean, I was just. Yeah, I think I see like some sort of water this way.
Yeah, there is a huge thing of water over here, so I was sliding. Oh, pigs. Dude, why do they make them sound like in pain in this update? Makes me not want to kill them.
Oh, dude, I keep accidentally hitting B.
Jesus. Now I feel horrible for doing that. So, we see all the land. If we can get, like, lucky and spot a village on our way. I was thinking going this way. It's kind of open water.
Ooh, there's a little mini island, like our first death.
Oh, yeah, I'm not looking forward to the drown, bro.
Although,
Good
dude,
luck with that.
I haven't been seeing any of these drowns in Java.
That's true. They must have crazy spawns, you know. Oh, that's that Nautilus. If we, by the way, if we tame those, we don't, and we go underwater, it doesn't, like, affect our breathing. So we can just stay under there as long as we want.
Really?
Yeah. Now, do we want to go to the open water, or do we want to... I'm not seeing anything over there. I'm just trying to be like, you know, just in case.
Yeah, honestly, I could just go until we see something good, and then.
'Cause I'm not seeing anything. Maybe that's a desert, but I doubt it. I think it's just beach. Maybe we get a shipwreck, though. You never know.
Dude, the world where we get a desert, I think is gonna be the world where we beat it.
Speaking of, look. Shipwreck.
Oh, nice. Wait, nice.
Hold on. We gotta be quick about this, though. Come back up.
Anything good?
Nah. Just come back up for a second.
Here, just give me a sec.
We'll try another chest. Might not be any good. Oh, wait, hold on. Buddy's blocking the oxygen, bro.
Why can't I go down this?
That might be it, bro. We didn't get a treasure map. It's pretty bad. I did get leather pants, though. What are they? Fire protection 3 leather pants. Those will really come in handy.
Okay, there you go, there you go.
All I got was paper and suspicious stew. I'm about to drink it. It just gave me poisoning, bro. Are we serious?
Yeah, why would you drink suspicious stew, bro?
Dude, sometimes it gives you good effects, bro.
Ah.
Takes a toll, bro. I'm gonna have to eat my poisonous potatoes now to get my hunger back.
Wonderful.
Where did it go? There's on. No, but if we like keep an eye on the ocean floor, we might be able to pull more of those.
Honestly, we might have to chop this one and just try another seed. I don't know what your thoughts are on that.
I'm thinking the same thing, but I think we vote just in case we get something here soon. Speaking of,
Oh! Oh! That's meant to be. That is meant to be.
it's a clip right there.
Let's clip farm. Let's act like we just found it. Oh my gosh! No way!
Dude, what are the freaking odds, dude? I can't believe we got so lucky.
Dude, right as it was turning to night, we'll be able to make it through the first night in hardcore Minecraft.
We don't get slimed out, yeah. See, now you just gotta edit that.
Yes, sir.
We should chalk this world. And my little bar there.
Oh, hay bales.
Man, that's crazy. This one's right on the water.
Oh, baby zombies! Baby zombies! Bro, what? Bro, let me back up! What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm good off that, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, what is the spawns on that, bro? Like, there's actually no way.
Ooh, well, Iron Golem's gonna save us though, so we're good.
Oh, oh,
No, come here.
oh my gosh.
Oh,
No, no, you're chopped cheese. You're chopped cheese. Back up, back up.
oh no. Dude, we need to lead him to this Iron Golem, bro. You know what?
I'm just going up here, bro. I'm going to one of these houses.
We can't even sleep, I don't think. Oh, bro, we're cooked. There's like a zombie infestation going on.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy.
Yeah, you're getting kicked out, bro. Yeah, well, sorry, buddy. Fuck. Dude, this is a huge place.
Oh, wait, why is this dude on fire?
They got hit by the zombie.
Should we just finish him off to get the iron?
No. Dude, we cannot finish him off, bro. He's our only protection right now. Here, let's just get all the hay and fix our food problem really fast. I just heard an Enderman, bro. You have your bow?
Oh, wait, hold up. I don't have it, I don't have it. I'm gonna get it. Okay, okay, are you still there? You still there?
I don't know if he went. Teleported off. Creeper.
Oh, there's a baby villager. Oh! Okay, okay. Yep, yep, I'm gonna get him.
Just push him in the boat, and I'll get him when I have help. No pearl, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, if the creeper sneaks up on me, I'm cooked. Like, I'm dead. So if we can prevent that, that'd be great.
Oh, a cheese.
Bro, I just got 3 stacks of bread.
Oh my gosh. Numerous cheese.
If we can get a blacksmith, we should be chilling. But I don't know if there is one in this village, even though it's pretty big. Oh, dude, have you found a blast furnace yet?
I have not.
Find one, dude. Like, well, what are we chilling if we find one? This guy's a mason, stone mason.
Mason novice, Mason novice.
I'm just trying to find some coal so I can, like... We're pretty down bad for a day, too. Even though we found this village.
Yeah, at least we got food this time.
I guess, bro. Dude, I'm gonna... What do we have? Dude, I have like 5 stacks of solid biome too. If I can get us some copper, we should be chilling. You know why I think we died? It's because we switched up on copper so fast.
I mean, yeah.
Like, I'm taking it personally, bro. So if we just like pretend like we're chill with copper until we have full iron, we should be chilling.
I almost say like, bro, why don't we just go straight to iron?
Low key, bro. If we can find enough, we can. It's just because we're in such a down bad spot right now. We at least need some armor. Now, I did find a 22 full vein, and there's more up this mountain. Not huge, actually. Jesus, this is a huge copper vein. Alright. Not really. It's only 13. Lovely. Not too much fall damage. Alright, I'm getting us resources right now. Just let me know when it starts, like, kinda getting close to sunset, and I'll come back.
I got you, gang.
I'm returning the favor from last time.
Bro's a resource partition.
I have not found any iron yet, unfortunately. But copper, of course, there's a lot of it. Yeah, I got a stack, so we should be chilling there. Oh, there's freaking skeletons somewhere. I'm trying to find a place where I can snag without getting slimed out by anything, but it's not seeming possible right now. Unfortunately, I'd like to at least get some shields crafted. If I see any mobs, I'm running, bro. Okay. I'm deep in this too, and I'm not seeing anything. Alright. I will say what might be tech is all the mobs are going to be spread out if we're spread out from each other. So if we went into separate caves, you know what I mean?
Ooh, that is a good shout.
I haven't experienced any hostile mobs. I've only heard one as well.
Yeah, that was the thing last time. Like, I didn't get why there was like 8 zombies just in that one spot.
Dude, that was insane. Like, there must just be a zombie spawn boost or something, bro.
Nah, deadass.
What's the situation on daytime?
It's looking pretty bright out, you know.
What's the sun look like though?
Sun. Um, it's coming down. It's probably like 7 p.m.
I should get out of here then. I got us 3 iron in this whole cave. It's a pretty bad cave. But I think if we explored it far, we'd be chilling. But I got us plenty of stuff for copper, etc.
I mean, yeah, that'll get us a pickaxe at least.
Pickaxe and full set of armor. Yeah, we'll be chilling there. Dude, there's lapis on the surface.
Really?
Yeah, I see it right here. Oh, that's crazy. We must be at a weird elevation then for it to be there. Yeah, I could have been down there longer, but it's fine. We gotta start smelling this anyway. There's like a crazy cave here. Hold on. I think you swim faster on Java too. You
Really?
notice that?
Um,
Yeah, when you swim sprint, like I just went up and down so fast.
no, I hadn't noticed.
Alright,
TBH.
it is currently sunset. If only we had a blast furnace.
Do you have any spare coal?
Got plenty of coal.
That's good to hear.
Alright, I'm in a crib right now.
Oh, I just got a bundle. Wait, what is a bundle? Can hold an empty mixed stack of items.
Yeah, you can hold up to 64 items in there, so it's just
Oh, I'm putting some potatoes in there, an apple, oak springs, spruce springs.
Alright. I'm gotta look up all this copper first, and then we'll hunt him up for an iron pickaxe when we kill its fourth.
But
And then if we want to start sliming out some animals so we can bring some food down there, we should be chilling. Actually, no, we got plenty of food enough. You good, bro?
alright.
Never mind. It's rain, so we're cooked, bro.
Oh, you think there's gonna be mobs or something?
Yeah, there has been before at least. Dude, if I get this guy 10 clay, he gives me an emerald. That's low-key fire. I can snag some of that relatively quickly at least. I don't know where I put my crafting table, so I'm just gonna make them. As long as you got sticks, we're chilling.
Yeah, I got like 40.
Excellent. Dude, honestly, this is in a pretty solid spot. Low key.
Yeah, pretty W location.
I wonder how far away are we from spawn though? We gotta be decently far.
At least 1,000 blocks.
Is that where your quartz though?
Nah, just a guesstimate.
I gotta hit function F3 to see it. Alright, so we are 1,013.20 blocks away from spawn.
Wow.
It's crazy. I'm cooking up my set of armor right now if you care to join.
I gotcha.
I got these temporarily if you'd like.
Thank you, sir.
Better than nothing. I'm gonna cook up food and we can go explore a cave.
Bet.
Well, actually, I'm gonna cook up the pickaxe, iron. Should be good. We're just gonna sit here and let this complete. Perfect. Now, what do we think is more important right now? The pickaxe or shields? Because we could just do shields instead, because we low-key need those.
I think we do pickaxe.
Right? Because honestly, we can just grab more iron and craft one. We'll have plenty.
I mean, yeah, we could do shields too, but up to you.
I see what you're saying, but like, we can literally just craft the pickaxe down there as soon as we get some more iron. What is bro doing? That should be enough.
Alright. Oh, there we go. Alright, so that gets me up to full armor. Um,
Let's get you some leggings as well, because you're only at like 3.5 armor. At 4.5. Same thing. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna cook up the iron and then we can get on our way.
Alright.
Can't remember which house I used.
It was this one.
Oh, bet. Here, take this shield.
Oh, I already made one.
Oh, you already made one? Oh, my.
Yeah.
I just wasted this? Shoot.
It's all good.
Well, I don't really have anywhere to put it, so I guess we have to spare. Alright. Let's knock this out really fast. After. Just, I guess. Alright, the one I was going into was this one over here. Hold on. It's already on the brightest brightness. Alright, so the way I went, you gotta dodge some lava here as well. Pretty sure it went down after I went up. Oh no, I'm trolling.
No. Okay, so we go down here.
It should just be this way. But I literally just followed this rabbit hole, like all the way down. Should just get to keep going. And I didn't really map this out that
Estás muy bien.
We might just have to leave it off here if this doesn't go down. Okay. I'll just log off and we'll be on this stage portion.
Yeah, I got some coal for us too.
Excellent. So we're self-sufficient down here. Honestly, this might go down. If you slide them.
Gotcha.
I just came up right here. I got a 10 vein of iron.
Ooh, okay.
And I haven't seen any of this yet, but control vehicle, please. Oh no. There's power going in now. Yeah. You know how to sprint now?
I do. What about you? With your control key? I did, yeah, control and then WW. I'm just trying to conserve food. That's all.
And we got a stack. I got 2 stacks of bread. I can just slide you some. Not worried about it.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, let's see if I can. Yeah, there we go. Thank you. Nah, you didn't even pick it up, bro.
Wait, what? Alright, thank you.
Now, did we already go this way? Oh, dude, there's like literally nothing spawning in here. This cave must be trash, bro. Yeah, already a torch over here, meaning we already went that way. And this one just leads out. Alright, bro. I think we just call it for today.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
There's like, there's not even anything we can do now, really. We got a decent start, at least.
Yeah, I got some armor, pickjacks, resources.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait.
Who's Mitchell? Who we think or not?
Aw, we just got baited, bro.
Oh. I'm out, bro.
Dude, we just got master.
We got master baited.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, wait, is that another village? Or is that our village, bro?
I think that's ours, Logie.
Look. Abandoned portal. Yeah, that's not our village.
Oh, abandoned portal.
We can at least snag this, I guess. Now, bro wants to jump and run.
Alright, let's see it's in this chest. Oh, what a cheese, bro. What an actual cheese.
Alright, cool, buddies. I think the lodestones act. I've figured it out. If we get a compass, it'll lead us back to the portal.
Interesting.
So it makes them work.
Please have a blacksmith.
Not that bro.
I have 35, 35.
You want to slide to me? I'm gonna smell on my iron.
Yeah, I'm just checking for cheese real quick.
It's not a black stuff. It's not gonna be good.
Oh,
It has bookshelves. Yes, dude. This one has bookshelves.
potato. Potato.
Alright, this is a good village. Alright, slide to me on.
Got you, son. Got you, son.
Brussels.
De nada.
This is crafting table.
Now this is a crafting table.
We have 14 iron ingots for next time. Let's start.
Yeah, we're at least getting somewhere this time.
Please. Alright, I got a chest and stuff. Set up in this. I'm gonna slide to this. So let's just sleep. If you're gonna hop in the bed.
Got you, gang.
And then I'm gonna hop off.
Alright. Did some good chud maxing to sustain us.